Okay. Yeah. This is just friend.
Whose approval na talagang hinihingi ko talaga was for my brother sa lahat. I always wanted him to be proud of me, kaya
I'm sure
nasaktan
he
ako ng
is.
sobra. So, and then he said, what are you talking about? I'm always proud of you. And for the next, every Sunday, he'd text me, I'm sorry. And I'm so,
On and off in speaking terms.
yes, yes,
How
yes.
did you, manage to talk?
You know, when my brother died, I don't know. I hope na hindi sabihin ng pamilya ko na ito na naman, nagkukwento ako. Pero siguro it's nice to share some good parts naman sa yung nangyari sa kuya ko. I think softened our hearts. We're not okay, but yung pagiging civil and yung respeto nandun. And I realized na life is really short. Kasi nga,
Yes.
nag-away kami bago
Oh.
mangyari to.
Yes.
Na muntik
I
na
do remember,
na
yes.
muntik nang talaga sa demandahan. And he really swallowed this pride and he told me na parang he's an alpha male talaga. So, yung sorry sa kanya is not easy. So, for him to say, then I'm so sorry. And his exact words were like, I'm really sorry and that the devil is trying to destroy us. And I hope you can forgive me. That was not me. I don't know what came into me,
Oh, wow.
sabi niya. And life is so short. And my sister-in-law was in the hospital during that time. And he said, I'm so scared. He was crying and he said, I'm so scared for Connie, my sister-in-law. Because she's in the hospital, labas-pasok ng hospital. So, right away, nung magsasorry pa lang yung kuya ko, inunahan ko na kasi alam kong alpha male eh. So sabi ko, Mitz, I'm sorry. Tapos sabi, no, I'm sorry. Tapos sabi ko, if there's anyone na whose approval na talagang